Wanna see me turn $5 into over $4,500 right in front of your eyes in just 15 minutes? Sounds super confident, right? Yeah, because trading is only for those who are bold and believe in themselves, ready to take the bull by the horns and go for it. Hey, I'm Simon, a professional trader with 7 years of experience. But it was not always like this. At one point, I got tired of living paycheck to paycheck and being at the mercy of my boss' mood, so I decided to try my luck in the stock market. After going through thick and thin, I developed my own strategies. I spill the beans about them on my Telegram channel. There I've been teaching over 17,000 up-and-coming and seasoned traders. I share info on working with indicators and how to recognize technical patterns. I also publish trading signals daily for free. So if you're not on my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that link in the description and the pinned comment at the top. Now you're gonna see firsthand that pulling in over $850 a day on binary options is not just doable. It's also pretty straightforward. Let's head over to Pocket Option and make all the necessary settings. Trade time frame 1 minute, investment amount $5. And if you think this is not serious, give me 5 minutes to convince you otherwise. Candlestick time frame 30 seconds. Pairs: Aussie and Canadian, Aussie and Swiss franc, Aussie and Kiwi. Indicators: stochastic and RSI. Got questions about getting the platform ready? All the information is available on my Telegram channel. Go check it out. Let's not waste any time and get straight to business. Follow my lead. Aussie and Kiwi. The trend has changed and we see from the powerful red candles that now the initiative is with the sellers. The best time to enter the trade is on a bounce. We press lower. Bullseye, easily bagging $9. Stay tuned, more to come. Aussie and Swiss franc. Here we have a similar situation as with the previous pair. The price is also going down and both indicators are backing it up. We are going short. Boom, we make a profit. Now we have $70 in our account. That is, we've increased our initial amount by 340%. Aussie and Canadian show sharp impulse upwards. Stochastic indicators even go into the overbought zone. Looks like we're in for a nice shoot to new heights. Hit the button. To improve trading skills, it's crucial to learn from mistakes. So I often go over the mistakes and screw-ups of my students on the Telegram channel. What was done wrong, how we could have nailed it better move, and I do it completely free. Meanwhile, I'm sharing my trade signals with 17,000 folks daily. Together we're raking in 300-400 grand per session, dedicating just about half an hour a day. Start banking on my signals, pulling in $850 daily. Subscribe to the channel using the first link in the description or the pinned comment. Awesome. Nailing those timely shots get us to $33. Aussie and Kiwi. Buyers are trying to break through the resistance level, but stochastic indicates they're gonna fall short. Looks like we're in for another drop. Let's invest. We increased our earnings to $63. With spirits lifted, we keep rolling in our trading session. Aussie and franc are with us again. They're still on a prolonged slide down. And indicators from both sitting in the oversold zone signal no change in course. We press lower. Five minutes in and our profit is $121. From $5, that's over 2,400%. So putting down $5 suddenly doesn't feel like peanuts, right? Seriously, binary options are the real deal. Who else shares such a cool way to make money? Who else is ready to share their expertise like this? So hit like on this video, make my day with your thanks for the effort. On to the next. Aussie and Canadian. Choosing to invest in a price increase as both indicators signal an uptrend. Hit the button. Profit hits $229. I gotta say, making money is the best feeling. Aussie and Kiwi. Buyers on this pair are stubborn today and won't give up easily. Expecting the bulls to try breaking through the resistance level again. We're going long. We boost our deposit to $440. Excellent. Next step. Aussie and Frank show a nice bounce. I'm pretty sure we're looking at a trend reversal here. Hit the button. My channel's videos are super helpful for getting the hang of technical analysis. I break down and explain each trade. Check out this video with top-notch analytics and an effective strategy. I made $4,068 starting from just $14. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch the video. We've got $845 in the account now. Fabulous. And just like that. On the Aussie and Canadian, stochastic signals a downward move. And we see it's getting tougher for the bulls to push the price to new levels. We're going short. And we've crossed the $1 grand mark, earning $1,453. Aussie and Kiwi, price is approaching another resistance level, and I think the bulls won't break through this time. We press lower. Quick question, how good are you with all the trading terminology? Does it help you? Drop your answers in the comments below. Let's see how focused you're on making a profit. Look at us now. We are now $2,373 richer, and it only took 10 minutes of trading. Mind-blowing. The Aussie and Frank are on their way up to new price heights. Both indicators are telling us the ride's not stopping anytime soon. We press higher. Our profit has increased to $3,293, but we still have time for a couple more trades. On the Aussie and Canadian, we see a significant downward trend. The indicators suggest that sellers are driving the asset into a strong oversold condition. Hit the button. Our account balance now stands at $4,043. Ready for one last powerful push? Aussie and Kiwi. In the midst of the downtrend, we get a bounce at the support level, but looks like the drop's not done yet. And yeah, the indicators back this up. Lower. Awesome. I'd say it's definitely time to let the trumpets blare, because in less than 15 minutes, starting from $5, we've earned $4,963. That's nearly $5 grand, almost 100,000% return. Who else can make money like this, huh? You can totally learn this too. Start with my channel and in just a couple of weeks you could be pulling in $850 daily. I get it. All of this could be a bit intimidating, leading you to question your own confidence. Afraid that you know nothing and you're all alone? 7 years ago, I was in exactly the same spot and could not make up my mind for quite a while. I was so in need of support. There were tough times, downturns, mistakes, but at some point I decided this was it for me. This was my way to earn, and now I'm banking more than $1.2 million a year. Yes, because I decided to go for it. Plus, I'm out here helping loads of beginners and pro traders. Through my Telegram channel, I've built this awesome community I help grow. I offer the most effective advice and strategies for trading, break down figures and patterns and technical analysis, and help find answers to all kinds of questions. And you can get that kind of support too. Don't hesitate to ask me anything, no matter how basic, how to tweak your platform setup, even which buttons to hit. In just a few days, you'll be ready to trade on your own, even copy my trades during live sessions, which means you'll start earning your first bucks. Join the 17,000 of my followers who are already killing it. Check out how many people are already enjoying their money. And all of this is absolutely free. Join us using the first link in the description or pinned comment. That's all for today. Can't wait to see you again, folks. Bye.